The Magistrates Court in Nairobi today ordered the unconditional release of Nation newspaper writer Walter Menya. Senior Principal Magistrate Martha Mutuku said the police had no reason to continue holding the journalist, and the Director of Public Prosecutions asked to review Menya's file despite requests by the police for more time to complete the investigations. Despite the intervention by the DPP, Menya's lawyers, that is James Orengo, Nelson Harvey and Apollo Mboye, raised concerns that his rights had been violated by his detention and released without charge. They argued that the use of prosecutorial office when there is no charge is opening the floodgates for people to be held in custody. Menya had been held in custody since Sunday, and the magistrate directed that the case be mentioned on June 28th for further directions.